Alright, YouTube, welcome back to Stevie Tech, the channel where we do unboxings, reviews, and app lists. Be sure to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. So we're going to hop right in. This is going to be a review of the Umidigi UWATCH GT. So let's get started. Now, first things first, we're going to go ahead and cover some of the specs of this device. As far as the screen itself, it is a 1.3-inch TFT display. And as far as the screen itself, it is round. It's not square inside of a round screen. So it is actually one of the better looking fitness tracker smartwatches. With that, unfortunately, it does not have a microphone. Now with this, it does, however, have quite an awesome battery. And I can attest to that. Right now, it takes about 2 hours to charge the battery. They advertise it as lasting 10 to 14 days, but I mean, I've almost gotten a full 3.5 weeks out of this, so I'm confident in saying 3 weeks is good. Now with that, of course, inside the box, you're going to get the watch itself, the charging cable, and your quick start guide. Now again, the watch, it is water resistant for up to 6 feet for up to 30 minutes. With that, you receive all of your alerts and everything. Now this is what it looks like on the wrist, so it doesn't look bad at all. It's actually pretty nice whenever you're looking at it. It's got a nice flexible silicone band. So awesome there. It does have the lift to wake, so you can actually see the screen there. You do have two buttons on the side. You have a back button, you have a home button. Now, one of the things with this particular watch, it's got a nice little metal accent going around the actual thing itself. On the back, it's plastic. There's your heart rate monitor, your little charging pins, and where it connects. Now, it does have the quick release watch band strap, so you can definitely change those in a hurry if you want to customize it to match an outfit or something like that, compared to the Galaxy Watch 3. And as you can see, they're about the same size. Now we'll go ahead and we'll take a look here at the display. As you can see, it looks nice there. Here's your fitness modes: outdoor running, outdoor cycling, outdoor walking, hiking. You have others, and then you have exercise record, and that's of course pretty self-explanatory. Now we're not got this connected to the phone right now, but this will actually show you your weather. Here's your heart rate monitor. It's trying to measure now, but of course not on. And under more functions, the only thing that's really here is your timers and your stopwatch. But it's a nice little setup here. I go ahead and hit the bottom button here. It's going to take you back. We'll go back again. And on the other side, this is going to be your step count, your calorie counter, and how many minutes you've been active. If you go ahead and you scroll down, this is going to be your notifications. So as you can see, you got your notification panel here. So that's where a lot of your information is going to be there. Here's going to be some of your different watch faces that are available. These come pre-installed on here. So we'll go ahead and we'll change it to one of them real quick, kind of give you a look here. This one looks pretty cool, so let's go ahead and switch it to that. So here's one of your watch faces there. Now we've got that. Again, the watch itself, it's been pretty phenomenal. Especially one of the cheaper options. The watch sells for $39.99 on Amazon. So definitely a steal, really. You want to get your notifications without having to pull your phone out of your pocket. That's got you covered here, as well as your fitness tracking. Now the charging cable, of course, it's 2-pin charging. Again, you really only have to charge it about once a month, but it's got USB Type A there on the other end. With this, there are two magnets that hold this in place. Let me show you guys real quick. Let's see. Actually, the other way. So we'll go ahead and we'll stick this on here and kind of see how strong this magnet is. As you can see, it'll hang there, but yeah, if we jerk it, it's going to fall. So with that in mind, that is going to be a quick rundown of this particular watch. And again, this is the Umidigi UWATCH GT. It's a great little watch. I really have no complaints about this whatsoever. Definitely think you guys should pick it up if you're interested in looking for something cheap and you want to get into the smartwatch game. But as always, thank you for watching Stevie Tech, and hopefully we'll catch you guys in the next video. Click on one of these here to check it out.